MHC Kenworth Nashville. For your consideration, this is a 2014 Kenworth W900 Short Bunk with a Paccar MX-13 455 horsepower engine coupled to a 10-speed Eaton Fuller transmission with only 235,000 miles on the odometer. The truck sits atop a Kenworth Airglide 400 air suspension. Inside, you'll find a 38-inch single bunk mid-roof sleeper. This truck was lease maintained and has service records. It's just in great condition. Warranty options and financing specials are available.
Get your hands on this truck today at MHC Kenworth Nashville. We're ready to roll with you.